In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a delayed charge in QuickBooks Accountant. A delayed charge is perfect when you've provided products or services but aren't ready to invoice the customer yet. Think of it as a placeholder. It tracks what's owed now, so you can roll it into an invoice later without affecting your income until that invoice is created. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Accountant. From there, open your client's company file. If you just want to practice without touching real data, you can open a sample company and follow along the same way. Once you're in the company file, look for the New button. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the top left corner or along the left sidebar. Click it, and from the list of transaction types that appears, select Delayed Charge. This takes you to a form that looks similar to an invoice, but remember, it won't post income yet. It simply holds the charge for later billing. Now complete the details. First, choose the customer. Make sure you pick the correct customer or sub-customer so the charge attaches to the right account. Next, set the date. Use the date the product or service was delivered. This helps keep your records accurate for reporting and for your customer's timeline. Under Product/Service, choose the item or service you provided. This controls the description and the income account it will hit when you eventually invoice. So pick the item that best matches the work or product. Enter the quantity to reflect how many units or hours are being billed, then confirm the rate or amount. Double-check that the rate is correct for this customer and this job. Pricing lists and custom rates can differ, and it's easier to catch it now. If there's context you'll need later, add a brief memo. This can include a job reference, time period, or internal note that will help you and your team remember exactly what this charge covers. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. That's it. The delayed charge is now stored on the customer's account. The next time you create an invoice for this customer, QuickBooks will prompt you to add any available delayed charges. Review the suggested items, confirm the amounts and dates, and add them to the invoice with a click, ensuring a smooth handoff from work performed to billable income. Using delayed charges helps keep your workflow clean, your revenue accurate, and your invoicing efficient, especially for ongoing projects or periodic services. Practice this process in a sample file if you're new, and you'll be ready to use it confidently in live client files.